Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix dense attack game not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading error on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to verify integrity of game file. So for that you have to go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game file. So this will check and verify the game files. It may take some time, wait for it, and once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. So after opening the link, you have to manually download the latest drivers. You can manually enter all the details over here and after that click on find option. This will show you several types of graphics drivers. Whichever you have, you simply have to click on view option and after that every details will be mentioned over here and then click on download option. So after downloading it, update your graphics card to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, select your game on the library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application and now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to check on run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, check mark on disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. So click on Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on yes, and after you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates option will be available over here. You have to click on it and wait for some time. Once your Windows is updated, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable mods. So if there is any kind of mods enabled, then you are suggested to disable all those mods, as these mods can create problem while playing the game. So make sure to disable the mods and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and now try to play the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check graphic settings. So check graphic settings of the game. It's an important step. When the graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing and several others, then you can suffer from crashing or several other issues while playing the game. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings. After that, here you have to click on, you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, you have to select it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Even after following all the above methods, if the issue still continues and you still suffer from crashing or several other issues while playing the game, then it's suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, you have to go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into to launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Dense Attack game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or launching or not.